सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एस्पायर आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Good morning, my dear students and my hardworking boys and girls, those who are preparing for mains. So this mains examination is very crucial for you people, and in the last we are always troubling about that how to proceed in the remaining days. So this video is mainly for the purpose that how you can prepare for the remaining days. तो आपको कुछ बातें जीवन में हमेशा ध्यान रखनी चाहिए कि दिस एग्जामिनेशन यू आर गिविंग फॉर योर सेल्फ, सो यू शुड नॉट टेक एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रेशर. योर कॉम्पिटिशन इज विद योर सेल्फ, एवरी दैट्स आवर मैटर. तो स्टिल यू आर हैविंग सफिशिएंट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एंड यू पीपल कैन नॉट फील दैट टाइम इज ओवर. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना, तो सुनो मत, बिकॉज समहाउ इफ यू लिसन इट किल्स यू. तो एक बहुत बढ़िया कहानी थी कि एक कुआं था, वन दैट इज अ well is there, and there is a group of frogs, those who are passing through this. Suddenly out of so many frogs, two frogs somehow drowned into the well, and then they try to come up. बहुत कोशिश कर रहे थे ऊपर आए. Then all these people are saying कि डोंट ट्राई, यू कैन लूज योर एनर्जी, जितने दिन जी सकते हो भी मर जाओगे. सम पीपल आर सेइंग दैट हाइट ऑफ दिस वेल इज़ वेरी हाई, तुम कूद कर ऊपर नहीं आ सकते, डोंट वेस्ट योर एनर्जी. बट इवन देन दिस टू फ्रॉग्स ट्राई अगेन. दे आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग, दे स्टॉप, डोंट डू दिस, एंड इवन वी आर नॉट हैविंग द कैपेबिलिटी. हमारे पास भी कैपेबिलिटी नहीं है कि हम इसको तुम्हें ऊपर उठा सकें, तो वी आर नॉट हैविंग द कैपेबिलिटी. After some time, frog 1 surrender and he stayed within the base of this wall. एक frog ने surrender कर दिया. But one frog still trying. And then other frogs are also not in a condition to say something. After some time, this frog is out of the well. ये well से बाहर आ गया. And when it is coming out of the well, they are asking कि भाई हम तो तुम्हें बोल रहे थे मत आओ, थक जाओगे, तुम कैसे बाहर आए? He said, I am not listening what you are saying. मुझे नहीं सुनाई दिया जा रहा था because my ears are not working. I am deaf. तो उसने बोला कि I am feeling कि that you people that are encouraging me. जब वो ऐसे बोल रहे थे मत तो उसने उसको उस तरह से लिया that you people are encouraging me. तो this overall story is mainly belong to the attitude. This overall story talks about that you listen minimum voices when you are guiding by the target in your life. And this story also talks about consistency, that every person should maintain the consistency in their life. So you are preparing for the mains, you already developed so many things. You should guide it by the attitude that you are not here to satisfy the coachings and their question answers and what they are saying. You should analyze what UPSC is asking. So in these remaining days, 2013 to 2019 paper reading is very important. So I am also a teacher, but coaching is not the solution for everything. Good guidance and strategy is a solution for everything. So I also appeared in this examination. I helped so many people to make their name in this examination. So many people serve this country with pride. And I really want that you will also do the same. But listening is very important. Problem is that we forget to listen carefully. We believe on the trolls. We believe on the Google. We believe on all the people who are having 30,000, 40,000 likes or views on their videos. Because now all these things are becoming the criteria to know what is good, what is bad. But we are not believing on those people who are consistently produce the quality results, whether 1 or 2 or 3, it doesn't matter. So try to understand what I am saying in this 15 days is highly important, that you people can concentrate to attitude building as per the UPSC, because ultimately it is UPSC who can give you the result. So you can give this paper a very, very good clue, particularly 2018 and 19. cover करने की कोशिश करो और आप देखोगे कुछ क्वेश्चन एज इट इज रिपीट हैं. द सेकेंड एटीट्यूड दैट यू शुड नॉट फील दैट यू आर गोइंग टू फेल. प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी ऑलवेज एक्सेप्टेड कि हम फेल होने वाले हैं. So some people are deciding that we can give Tamil Nadu PCS on 3rd of, that is a January, because we can also write mains, because we are not having surety that we can qualify this examination. Some people are deciding to give SEBI as a substitute. Now think in a logical manner by putting yourself out of this situation. A person who was working for mains, how he can opt to working for SEBI or PCS of some state where selection is not even a surety, corruption is very high, but UPSC is 100% giving the result. So put yourself 100%. Perfection never comes. 100% strategy and the preparation never comes. But UPSC is only asking the paper from 120 topics in every paper. If you are having the mind map and before the examination, whatever you prepared, you can revise multiple times. This is my 100% surety that your performance is far better than others. What examiner demand? A good synchronized structured answer with good language, expression, examples. And the major thing he wants, you can understand the question carefully. Problem lies that we are not in a condition to understand the question. If we understood the question, we are not in a condition to synchronize and make the structure. If we make the structure, we are not maintaining consistency. तो ये तीन बातें मेरी याद रखना. सबसे आखिरी में आता है कंसिस्टेंसी. दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 क्वालिटी शुड बी सेम. That means you cannot fluctuate your quality. That 5 questions you are writing a very good manner and another 10, 12 question very bad. Result is 0. Done? तो मैं आप समझ पा रहा हूँ, आप सब बच्चे मेरी बातें समझ पा रहे होंगे, and you should understand my things in a good manner. The second important thing, which is very very important, attitude के बाद, that you should not listen everybody. In this field, we should be focused like the horse. We should not see the grass. Grass means you are moving toward that grass. तो आपको सबकी बात नहीं सुननी, हर आदमी कुछ ना कुछ बोलेगा. In the end moment also people can say, तूने ये पढ़ा नहीं, ओहो तुम लेने चल दोगे क्या, यार मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ ये. Some people can send you the link. जैसे उनको ही पता है यूपीएससी ने पेपर लीक कर दिया, यही टॉपिक आएगा. Yes or no? आप सबको एक्सपीरियंस हुआ होगा, हमें तो होता था कि आखिर में कोई ना कोई ऐसा बंदा आ जाता था जो मेंस नहीं लिख रहा और उसको ऐसा लगता था उसे ही सबसे ज़्यादा नॉलेज है. यूपीएससी चेयरमैन ने रात को इसको फ़ोन किया है कि ये इंपॉर्टेंट है और ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. तो यहाँ से 2 चीज़ें आपको करनी है. इन द लास्ट, डोंट चेंज योर स्ट्रेटेजी. अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी चेंज ना करें. डोंट लर्न एनीथिंग न्यू. कुछ भी नया चीज़ ना पढ़ें. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, मेक योर सेल्फ पॉजिटिव. इन तीनों से भी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, डू नॉट प्रिडिक्ट द पेपर. ये हम सबसे गलत काम करते हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रिडिक्ट द पेपर एंड देन वी आर सेइंग दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज नॉट हु यू आर. You just know these topics are more important than others, but you cannot say that these topics are important and these topics are not important. Whatever things are coming under the demarcation of the syllabus, everything is important. And one question also matters, so don't be judgmental in this regard. Maximum time we get hurt only because before the exam we are becoming judgmental. आपको मैंने बोला 120 टॉपिक में से ही मैक्सिमम पेपर बनता है, तो ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं, इनको प्रायोरिटी देके पूरा करें. अभी टॉपिक्स क्या हैं क्या नहीं, वी कैन लर्न इन द अपकमिंग वीडियो. इसके बाद जो वीडियो आएगा, आज का सिर्फ स्ट्रेटेजी प्लानिंग के ऊपर है. और आखिर में कंसिस्टेंसी, ये आप मेंटेन रखिए, आपका काम बन जाएगा. नाउ टुडे वी आर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस वीडियो, टुडे इज 15. आई कैन गिव यू द स्ट्रेटेजी फ्रॉम 16 एंड प्लीज बिलीव मी, 100% you people can get the benefit of this strategy. This year there has been a 5 days gap between GS and optional, and I believe that you people completed good amount of optionals, at least to prepare the notes and understanding. GS is of 1000 marks plus 250 marks of the essay, which is also the important topic associated with, this is also the important topic associated with, that is GS only. So 1250 marks belong to GS. Even 275 marks of interview is belong to GS. तो GS का इतना बड़ा कंपार्टमेंट होता है, लेकिन हम लोग GS को करंट अफेयर्स ही बना के छोड़ देते हैं. तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, हम इस पर ही अब फोकस करेंगे इन द अपकमिंग टाइम, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग दिस टाइम द 5 days टॉपिक, सॉरी डेज गैप बिटवीन द GS एंड ऑप्शनल. तो वी कैन मेक द स्लॉट 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25, 26, 27. First you can pick up the governance paper and IR. Now, from wherever you prepared, prepare it. But prepare it with the 10-year paper 2013 to 2019. Those people who did my raw crash course, raw, revise, analyze and writing, जिन लोगों ने raw किया है, तो raw is a quality enrichment program in which we are not providing additional topics or important keywords as per the people are saying. We are completing the whole syllabus. तो जिन्होंने raw किया है वो लोग सबसे पहले raw करेंगे, then target 50 and then writing skill development question paper. So those people who are not the part of this, they can do by yourself, plus solve one paper of Aspire. You will see what exactly is a question making of Aspire and how Aspire is providing the UPSC type of question, क्योंकि हमने UPSC क्वेश्चन को ही उठा के recraft किया है, and in a contemporary orientation. तो आपको खरीदना नहीं है. अगर किसी के दिमाग में आ रहा हो कि मैं बोल रहा हूँ भाई Aspire का पेपर खरीद लो, no, we are just saying take the paper of Aspire. तो ये पेपर आपको Aspire के ऑफिस में आके मिल जाएगा या हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. That is UPSC मेंस, that is a UPSC मेंस 2020 सिर्फ UPSC मेंस 2020 कीजिएगा. Aspire का चैनल है एक पीटी के लिए, UPSC पीटी 2021. क्लियर? इसके साथ 2 साल के करंट इश्यूज ये करने हैं आपको. तो 3 days allot 9 hours for GS and 3 hours for essay writing. ऑप्शनल को अभी छोड़ दो कुछ दिनों के लिए. तो 9 hours for गवर्नेंस एंड 3 hours for essay, क्योंकि ऑप्शनल अभी तक 2.5 month 1.5 month आप पूरा कर चुके होंगे. तो 3 hours में 2 essay जरूर लिखिए. क्लियर? देन 1920-21 इकोनॉमिक्स, इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी, साइंस एंड टेक, एनवायरनमेंट आप कर लीजिएगा, लेकिन इन 2 पे ज्यादा फोकस रखिएगा, एनवायरनमेंट एंड साइंस एंड टेक. Again the same sequence, but again 2013 to 19 should be your base. अब आप इसके साथ अपना ऑप्शनल पढ़ेंगे 9 hours plus 3 to 5 hours. और ऑप्शनल में भी you can revise your paper number 1 only, because paper 2 is always contemporary if it is not the science. Then 22 to 24 you people can move towards paper 1, in which geography and social issues should be your main target. In raw, we are providing section wise paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4. This is my humble request. In paper number 1, so many people are weak, those who are not from Aspire. Especially the social issue is a major problem. So we are providing segment wise raw as a crash course. So please, if possible, listen our raw 5 lectures regarding paper number 1. And you are feeling so empowered, believe me, trust me. Amount is very less because we really want people can just listen one module of this and they can realize what exactly is the difference in this. If you are not comfortable, no problem at all. You should focus on applied part of the question. Again, 2013-20. If you are learning the ocean currents, don't only learn the factors of ocean currents, but also on the application. Ocean currents and agriculture, ocean current and coastal economy, ocean currents and coral reefs, ओशन करंट्स एंड द चेंजिंग मॉनसूनल पैटर्न. ये दिमाग में पहले से भर के जाएं कि 70% ऑफ द ज्योग्राफी क्वेश्चन शुड बी अप्लाई. हाउ क्लाइमेट चेंज रिजल्टिंग इनटू वार्म पोल्यूशन एंड कोल्ड पोल्यूशन, दैट मींस समर पोल्यूशन एंड विंटर पोल्यूशन. कोविड रिजल्टिंग इनटू द चेंज इन द वेदर कंडीशन, व्हाई एंड हाउ. द वेदर एंड द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस आर डिफरेंट इन अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? हाउ द विंड्स आर इंपैक्टिंग द एग्रीकल्चर ऑफ एनी एरिया. इलेबोरेट. So this type of question they are asking, and in the raw we are experimenting on this type of question only. Anybody can come and meet me. I am available every day in the office, Monday to Saturday, and you can meet me between 12 to 2 o'clock in my office, and I can really help you, especially those who are writing mains and still having some confusion in understanding or discussion. And for this we are not taking any charge. This is a personal mentorship program from my side. Anybody can join this. Just call to 8010068998 or watch our website in which there is an appointment page जिसमें आप जाके appointment कर सकते हैं. And last segment is ethics. Here only practice matters. As far as possible, solve application type of question. Even in the ethics, they are asking the theoretical type of question. In this, I can discuss already all the 42 case studies of UPSC on the YouTube channel. try to listen that all the, that is a case studies which we already recorded, and you are getting 100% very good advantage कि what exactly is the method to solve 2013 case study and now how to solve 2018 and 19 case study, because there is a contrasting difference. So in these 2 days you can again guiding by the optional, first day essay and this day is also you can do the essay. उम्मीद करता हूं सबको समझ में आ रहा होगा. After doing this, we already completed how many days? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 12 days. तो 15 to this कितने दिन हो गए आपके? 27th खत्म हो गया. Now 28, 29, 30, 31. Then first and second, third and fourth. 2 days, paper 1. अब इसी सीक्वेंस में जाएंगे. पेपर 2, पेपर 3, क्विक रिवीजन पेपर 4. लेकिन अब रिवीजन का फॉर्मेट चेंज हो जाएगा. एवरीबडी कैन टेक द सिलेबस ओनली विद माइक्रो एंड सब टॉपिक्स. टेक द पेपर, रीड इट एंड थिंक 5 points. ओके, क्राफ्ट द क्वेश्चन. अगर ऐसे पूछ ले व्हाट इज माय आंसर, व्हाट इज, प्रिपेयर योर माइंड मेंटली. 500 topics should run in your mind at a time, and you should not need the books. Wherever you stuck, watch it. Plus 10-year paper, 2013 to 2019. आपको बस इसमें ये mental exercise करनी है. Now no notes, nothing, only keywords, some datas, some analysis about every topic. For example, जैसे मैं एक स्टूडेंट हूँ. Now suppose I'm a student 2010. 2010 was my last attempt. So I did the same thing. I pick up the topic. Okay, this is a topic. Okay, I'm starting with the social issue. Number 1, that is diversity of India. Diversity of India, evolution of the man, Ramapithikas, Shivapithikas. Then the race, Australize, that's the Mongolites, Negroids, Caucasoids. Okay, after race, the diversity of India is ethnicity, culture pockets. Kerala, within the North Kerala, Thayyam is there, Hindu culture is there. Central Kerala is different culture, Southern Kerala is different culture. Then within the Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, different culture is there. Food is there, which is associated with the culture and geography. Clothing pattern is different. Then the religion is also different in our country. The diversity of this country is also associated with the house and the languages. Indo-Aryan language, Indo-Mongoloid language. Okay, this is a diagram which I can construct. After this, why this diversity is good or bad? Good, unity, strength, business, employment, tolerance. Even the same diversity is always providing the traditional knowledge which we are practicing from past to present in the form of food, traditional medicines and others. How this diversity is not good? This diversity is not good in the recent time because we are guiding by the negative impact of the secularism. The diversity resulting into cultural conflict, the same thing resulting into son of the soil doctrine, migration and the hamper to it. इस तरीके से हम इसको रिवाइज करते हुए चले जाएंगे और जहां पर भी हमें पॉइंट ना आए हम उसे तुरंत निकालेंगे. तो पहले आपको सिस्टमैटिक करना है, हैप्पीजार्ड नहीं करनी है प्रिपरेशन. पहले आप अपने पूरे सिलेबस को रिवाइज करोगे. जब सिलेबस रिवाइज हो जाएगा देन यू कैन रिवाइज द लार्जर पार्ट, दैट इज 10-year पेपर, एंड देन यू कैन फील हैप्पी कि अब मेरा हो गया, अब लालच नहीं करना है. तो यू कैन डू दिस थिंग फॉर 8 hours and 5 hours you can give to optional again. And again I can say paper 1 and some part of the paper 2, particularly section A. तो दोनों ही का section A अच्छे से करेंगे in this days. Paper 1, 2, 3, 4. Sequence is first syllabus and after syllabus topic sub topic जो आपने jot down किए साल के लिए important है. And then you can do this thing. Clear? अब इसके बाद हम आ जाएंगे 5, 6 और 7. इन 5, 6, 7 में लाइट रिवीजन करो, कुछ भी उठा के जो तुम्हें लगता है. मेरे हिसाब से इन 3 दिनों में हमें फैक्ट्स को तो अच्छे से पढ़ना चाहिए. कुछ फ्लो चार्ट को डेवलप करो, कुछ इंडिया के मैप को डेवलप करो कि मैं ये पॉइंट कर दूंगा इस तरीके से. इंट्रोडक्शन को सोचो इन टॉपिक्स के, प्लस 3 essay जरूर लिखो. 3 essay you can write before that. And in the same days when you are doing this, those people who are having poor Hindi or their regional language, you can do rigorously. So you can revise and not do that much optional. If your Hindi is weak, then this 8 days plus 3 days, 11 days rigorously you can do the Hindi or your regional language, and those who are from Hindi medium can do English language. Do you understand my point? And at least minimum 2 to 3 essay you can write before the exam. एंड दैट एसे शुड फ्रॉम 10 years ओनली. कोई भी नया टॉपिक कोचिंग या किसी वेबसाइट से नहीं उठाएंगे, 10 year का उठा के लिखो. एंड इफ यू रियली वांट टू मेक इट चेक, अपने आप उसको 3 बार पढ़ो, यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई क्या प्रॉब्लम है. या आप मुझे भी दिखा सकते हो, मुझसे कंसल्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन हैव माई दैट द नंबर, और यू कैन व्हाट्सअप दिस थिंग ऑन द 8010068998. इसको फॉलो कीजिए एंड देन यू विल सी द मैजिक. 100% यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट. Aspire is always welcoming all the people who are still in the crisis and those who are working for 2021 and those who are struggling in this PT or mains and want to qualify in the 2021. Aspire is always be your Sarthi and 100% we can work for you. And from the 2010 till now, our method is only to help the needy student and we are welcoming all. So COVID is not the restriction. Restriction is only the hesitation which you people are having. The restriction is only one thing, stereotype behavior, that only these institutions are good, other people are not in a condition to help us. So this stereotype behavior is major hurdle. Cross it as a barrier and approach us. 100% we can help you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.